In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Microsoft Word like a pro. If you're working with a team on reports, proposals, or manuals, Word's built-in tools make it easy to co-author, review edits, discuss changes, and finalize a polished document without juggling multiple versions. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with real-time co-authoring. Save your document to OneDrive or SharePoint, then share the file so others can open the same document. As teammates join, you'll see colored indicators showing exactly where each person is typing or editing. Autosave keeps everyone in sync, so you're always looking at the latest version. This approach eliminates the old hassle of emailing files like report_v1 or final_final, and ensures there's a single source of truth. If someone can't edit, check that they have the correct permissions and that the document is stored in the cloud, not locally. For formal reviews, head to the Review tab and turn on Track Changes. With tracking enabled, every insertion, deletion, and formatting adjustment is recorded. You can control how cluttered the page looks by switching between All Markup, which shows every change, and Simple Markup, which keeps the page clean while marking changed lines with a subtle indicator. When it's time to finalize edits, the document owner can accept or reject changes one by one, or use the drop-down to process a group of changes, preserving full control over what makes it into the final draft. Communication is just as important as edits, and Word's comments system keeps conversations right where they matter. Add a comment to a word, sentence, or paragraph, and reply directly in a threaded discussion. Use the @mention feature to tag a colleague by name. They'll receive a notification and know exactly what needs attention. Once an issue is addressed, resolve the comment to clear your view while keeping the history available if you need to revisit it later. Clear, specific comments reduce back and forth and help everyone move faster. If you still end up with two separate files, use Review, then Compare. Word will generate a new redline document that highlights every difference, making it simple to consolidate work. Before sharing the final version, run File, Info, check for issues, then check accessibility to ensure the document is usable for everyone, including readers using assistive technologies. Finally, go to File, Info, Protect Document to set restrictions on who can open, edit, track changes, or format the file. That way, your finished document is consistent, accessible, and secure. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.